Hey guys, what is up and welcome to Race Cakes. In today's video, we are going to be making a very popular Easter treat. I know a big majority of people love this treat. Today we are going to be making our peanut butter Easter eggs. Now I have this mold. I have had this mold for a very long time. They actually still make this Easter egg mold. As you can see by Wilton, you can find this anywhere. And I also just recently got this mold. I thought this mold was so super cute with the little bunnies. The face kind of creeps me out, I'm not gonna lie. But we're gonna be using this mold as well, and we're going to be making an Easter egg and a little Easter bunny for this video. Now, I am also going to be doing a semi sugar-free versions of this. So I am going to be using Jif creamy peanut butter. Really not the best peanut butter, but I will be using this. And for the powdered sugar, I am using Swerve sugar or confectioner sugar, and I'm going to mix this with the peanut butter. I'm also going to add some vanilla to it as well, just to give it that nice delicious taste. And of course I have my bowl, and I will also be using Hershey's Zero Sugar Chocolate Chip. I will probably, most likely, because this is a darker color, I will put them in the Easter egg mold, at least in one of them. And then I also have white almond bark that I will probably, or I am going to use for the bunnies and probably for the eggies, and then I will paint the eggs. So without further hesitation, this is going to be the main bit of my supplies as I go along. As you will see in my videos, I kind of like get ideas as I go and I end up adding stuff, but this is what I'm starting with. Who knows what I'll end up with? So with that being said, let's just jump right into this. to wrap up today's video. These are, like I said, kinda sugar-free peanut butter eggs. On these eggs, I did use the Edible Cake Art decorative paint. Of course, I used my favorite Chef Master confectioner's glaze on this egg and the silver on this egg. I also wanted to do some different techniques with the sanding sugar and piping gel, and I think they came out super duper adorable. Let's cut one of these bad boys open. Alright, let's just grab one of these and let's just cut this bad boy right open. It cuts so nicely. There we go. And that is the inside of our peanut butter Easter egg. How's that look? Tasty? Yes, sirree, Bob. Again, thank you guys so much for taking your time and watching today's creation. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.